Myinvestor vs Indexa Capital, España. Let's get started. So first thing we have is Myinvestor. It's a Spanish neobank broker hybrid regulated by the Banco de España and operated under CNMV supervision. It offering low-cost investing alongside banking features. So let's talk about its pros. It offers a low flat fees and low fiat costs. They also have a tiny minimum investment which starts at only £150. They even have a wide fund selection which includes iShares and Vanguard, and they have integrated banking with intuitive app and responsive support. The only downside is it has some currency exchange fees and the platform has issues. Now, Indexa Capital, on the other hand, is a Spanish also robo-advisor regulated by CNMV, specializing in diversified, low-fee investment portfolios using cost-efficient index funds. So what it offers is a dynamic fee structure, institutional class fund access, and proven returns. They even have a trusted service and a wide portfolio options. So in conclusion, choose My Investor if you're starting out and want flexible ETF fund investing with banking perks, and choose Indexa Capital if you have at least approximately £2,000 to invest and prefer a fully automated robo-advisor model.